Okay, so
like 2 or 3 hours.
that's all you slept?
Yeah, I some trouble just to get some sleep, so
Have
kind
you
of fun.
have you heard about this? I discovered these actually when I was in Europe. Have you heard about this? It's called like trip drinks. Have you heard about them? I'm gonna type it for you. Lana, is that a new person? Mm. Yeah? Oh my goodness. It's an open mic. If you want to talk instead of typing, that's fine, or you can type. So please tell us about yourself. We want to know everyone in here.
Morning.
Good morning. So Lana, if you want to type about yourself, we want to get to know you. If you want to unmute your mic and tell us about it, you can do that too. Whatever is easier. Melissa, I have some good news, that's for sure. And
I know, I'm so excited. I passed 2 people.
I'm so excited for you. I'm so excited for
I think
you.
I passed the other one. It was so funny. I went to go into trade this morning. It was like, you have to select your account. And I was like, what do you mean? I don't look at my emails yet. And I was like, oh, I passed.
When did you find out you passed?
This morning.
Like, you had no idea?
I had no idea because the consistency was off. So I guess they let you pass anyway.
They
But I
actually,
have one more trade before I hit it.
it actually pretty cool company though. They had like a rough patch, you know, with a trader weight and all that. And they actually really cool company. Like the way they talk to me, the way they give, you know, the giveaways, the accounts and all that. They're really cool company.
I mean, I'm not complaining.
Right? Yeah, so that was kind of cool company. So let's see. So I decided, I don't know if I could do TikTok today. They really, I don't know,
Protect your peace, girlfriend.
you know. I don't know if it's worth it. Is it like worth it? You know, like this is what I'm trying to figure it out. I wonder.
You can add me to moderate, and I will block everybody.
You would block everybody.
Yeah.
G's supposed to be, yeah. I could actually give you the permission to do a moderator if you want. You can guys do it.
You gonna add me moderate, and if I am in TikTok, I will watch them.
Okay, I could actually. There's a way, like, because G used to do that, but he's not feeling well. But there's a way to add you as a moderator, so that way I don't have to watch the chat.
We have your permission to block people.
Yeah. So let's see.
We got your back, girl.
I know you guys been so nice, but like, so this is what
can be the Grim Reaper.
the what?
Grim Reaper.
So it's just like I get confused, right? So like I get confused because you're like, okay, I get a lot of clients there, but yet I found your R. Okay. I get a lot of clients there, but then like I also get a lot of crap over it, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like that I don't deserve it, right? So I don't deserve any of it. So that's why I was like, okay, I added R. You the RM20116, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Wait, I will. Wait a minute, I will watch it.
Yeah.
RM 2011.
Yeah, that's the one I have. Okay. So you have permission to block them, no?
Yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
All your videos gone.
My what? Yeah. Okay, Lana. Okay, Lana is typing. I was gonna ask. Let me know if you can hear me, Lana, though. May want to get to know you. Okay. So are we down to here or no? Let's see. So it's top of the hour. No, there's a lot of. No, that's not the one. Let's see.
Yes, we hear you, but it's not loud.
You can't hear me?
Someone else speak to you.
Someone else?
Maybe it's that Lana.
Someone has the mic open. Maybe.
Do you Alina hear that Lana is speaking to you?
You sound really low to me, Lana. I can barely hear you.
Oh, Lana, I can't hear her at all. Yeah. A little bit, like really low. Yes. Very, very low. We want to get to know. We know everybody knows everybody here, so we trying to like get to know you.
Hi, my name is Laura. I'm originally from Ukraine. I live in Chicago, and I met Alina on TikTok. I really like her. I mean, I hope everyone is very nice and honest people here because it's very hard to find that good team on TikTok field.
Yes.
So hopefully we're gonna have a good time.
So I'll repeat it what you said. I was able to hear what you said. So Lana says she's from Chicago. She met me on TikTok, and she liked it that maybe I think the vibe that we have here. And one thing I'm very, very strict about being positive, being kind. So Lana, if you can mute because I think I hear myself back. If you mute your Discord for a second while I repeat it back. Okay, there you go. So so that's what I'm saying, like with TikTok, like you meet so many good people there and all that. So the reason that we have the fee for the Discord, it's as minimum as I can go, right? So like it's that we filter out a lot of people that are not good. And the one thing I ask and required, it's actual requirement to stay in everybody to be nice and kind and sweet and supportive. And everybody that's here, everybody is like that here. You know, we lose together, we win together, we lick each other's wounds together, you know, but it's only positive. That's the one thing we do here is just positively, kindness, because trading is so hard. Trading is extremely, extremely hard. So we don't mess around. I'm an adult. I'm a grown woman. So we don't allow anything else. So once you have a chance today, there's a section where Melissa suggested to introduce yourself. So you can go read about other people and you can put whatever would you like about yourself. It's a small community, so it's not like you're being exposed to anybody, but I think people like really like to know each other because we kind of pretty tight in here. We're a pretty tight group, and I want you to be part of the tight group, right? So yeah, we really excited to have you. Thank you for giving us a chance. and the reason that I'm doing all these social media things. So yeah, exactly, Melissa. So Melissa, it always has the cute and the best gifs right here. And then so we like to know you, so then you get to know everybody else, and the more you engage, the more we'll help you learn. And sorry, getting distracted. So the more vulnerable you are, the more open you are with your traits. You're like, okay, guys, there's a trait recap thing where like I took this trait, absolutely sucked. What did I do wrong? I took this trait, I did it good. Let's just celebrate, right? So a family, we calling ourselves a winning team. We winning. We maybe today, not today, but we're gonna win, right? Right? We are very tight. So Lana Fusk is from Chicago area too. So you like, and Shannon is getting to know us. I think, yeah, we're very, very tight. So yeah, I'm very, very lucky to have the people that I have here. And I think you'll welcome more than anything, and I think you'll really enjoy it. And it's up to you how much engagement you're gonna, yeah, how much engagement you're gonna want to put yourself out there, and it's more just beneficial for us, right? Shannon, you did good with Asia last night. Yeah, Asia was not my favorite. But we tried it yesterday, so I'm happy for you. Melissa, we have announcements. I'm just waiting for some people, everybody to show up. We have some announcements from Melissa. Yeah. So Shannon, you did good. We happy that someone did good. Randy, good morning. Okay. How much year I trade? So how many years I trade? I trade 7 years now. Can you explain option funding? Is like a platform for options? Yes, John. Actually, I'm a little bit sad because I was approved to do a giveaway for them, and then but I was taking my daughter to college, so I didn't have my equipment to make the video about it. So I asked for extension. So you might want to stay tuned and follow me everywhere you need to follow me. I can't say certain words in here, but if I get extension approval for options funding, which is like a platform for options giveaway, and seems like they let me do 2 account giveaways, but I just have to get extension because I didn't meet the deadline. So yeah, so what we've been doing, because they give me an account to play around. So on our winning team, on Fridays we do stock Fridays. So we actually use my account and we play straights, and then we go and check, and yeah, I let them pick, and it's really fun. We've been having a great time with that. So yeah, if I get extension, then I'll do giveaway on options funding. Yeah. Yeah. You'll take one. Yeah, Randy, it's gonna be, I don't get to choose it. I send out the submissions, whoever submit and follow the props for the giveaway, and the company chooses. Alrighty. Let's see, you guys. Remember my winning team, and we'll catch up Lana on this, is that yesterday we had, you want to have a paper count where you're going to trade. Yeah, I know, Lana, that's pretty cool. Yeah. So I signed a contract with them. And so if I do good with engagement, they let me do the giveaways. Lana and Shannon, and now the other guy's not here. I want you guys to get your paper counts. And I'm gonna teach you my biggest strength is with stocks. So yesterday we were watching this one right here, and you can buy at certain levels with your paper count and see how it reacts. So that's the one. I'm just not saying that. I'm gonna type it in for you. So that was yesterday's watch list, right? And then we have today's watch list. So while we're trading platforms, while we try to get a payouts, and what we're gonna do with this payouts, we're gonna keep building. but I understand this is a lot harder for people to understand the stocks and how my brain works. So I've been holding your hand and kind of doing this paper trade account situation while you guys learning on it. Okay. All right. Yeah. I made 30K, 35K in just 1 week. If you're interested, then message me. Yeah. I can give you my winnings team addresses and you can send them the money. That'd be great. I would like to. We will take your money and invest it for you, no problem. Look, on all the seriousness, don't ever send money anybody on TikTok, and I know they pretend to be me. Okay, so we ready for the announcements? Okay, the announcements is Melissa passed 2 accounts. Melissa joined this team. We know each other for a while, for over a year now. She joined the team a couple months back. She saw value in this and she's been sticking with it. It's a fight, right? We go against the grain. And she stick with it. And then, yeah, here she is today. She passed 2 accounts. And my goal is, once you join the team, I said, I know you know how to trade. We just needed to tailor. She tailored herself. She stayed very open. And it's all her. It's nothing to do with me. It's all her. We like sisters in trading, right? We all sisters here, and that's why I saw like church announcement. We're all sisters and brothers in here. And yeah, I seen a lot of progress in her, but she was very open, not resistant. She didn't stick with her thing. Like, it's like, okay, you know, let me see what you have. Let's see how I can tailor to myself, my own thinking and all that. And she did it. And that's the thing, where it takes time, right? It ain't gonna happen right away. It ain't gonna happen just boom. So now my goal is when she asked me, so when she asked me to join, she was pretty ballsy and in a kind way. She joined the team and she stayed very engaged, very active with everywhere she could possibly. So joining the space was exactly what I needed to get my head straight. Yeah. So we don't. This is real trading, right? We don't BS. And she made a huge progress. Was to say a couple months, right? So when she joined me, when she asked about this community, I said, well, my goal is actually to get you to a payout. I'm not gonna hold your hands, and I never did. And I think that's the next goal. And yeah, and the next step is to be so regular that you have enough to put it into stock, so you don't have to even worry about prop firms. So yeah, so for Shanna, maybe that's kind of news, and Lana, and maybe Tom, we have personalized goals for everybody in here. Melissa, give me a heart, popular. Deviola sent me a rose. Thank you so much. And my moderator Ari saying that I will never DM you first. I don't need your money, you guys. I really don't. The sad part is that people send the money to a stranger. I mean, they think they have my profile picture and all that, but when I ask them to join my Discord, they wouldn't pay me the $40, but they would give thousands of dollars to someone on TikTok. So that's really sad. Okay, so this is the range for Alana and Shannon. This is just the indicator that's been created for me, so it just happens automatically. The one that you see right here, we have Jess right here. She coded for us, very similar indicator, so you don't forget to claim this one. This one you can claim it on the Whoop app, and I will probably post it today, the SMA video. And if you guys like Lana and Shannon hasn't caught up to the other Tom, I don't know, Tom if he did the other lessons. So I'll be doing that too. Okay, we have our announcement. So there's a big order 178. So let's see, for the new people, sometimes you watch if they reach certain orders or not. Even if we don't take a trade, we're still happy they reach the levels. So today is a dangerous day because we have, anybody knows what's happening today? Why do I say it's a dangerous day? Do we know what? The VWAP is at 200, okay. Shannon is typing, Tom is typing.
Right?
Say that again.
News.
News, but there's one more thing. There's one more thing that's happening today. There's gonna be a lot of manipulation today. No one knows. Yep, but what kind? Melissa guiding you in the right direction.
It's NVDA earnings, right?
Yeah. Yep. That's exactly what it is. Yep. So normally I would post a calendar, but I was traveling this weekend. I didn't put it together. I don't like to do like a halfway. When I do it, I do, right? So eventually you'll see a calendar every week. Yeah, it's a big boys day today. So there you go. The 178. Did I get it? 174. Still has a little bit more. Daniel, good morning. Happy day. When are you gonna join me in Discord? Daniel, I think I'm going short now. I think you'll have fun with us. We only want nice and kind people, so you pass the test. You're welcome to join us. I'm not gonna kick you out. Advanta sveiki, laba diena, labas rytas. You go short? I don't know. It's a big day today. Yeah, Shannon, we had some news at 1 hour before the open, but that's gonna fizzled out. Uber's doing good, you guys. We've been watching Uber for a little bit. We've been watching, okay. I have 15 minutes, I'll show it to you guys. Good job. Good job, Fusco. It was cute yesterday. My kid's like, yeah, at 7 a.m. worry about like waking you up. Should I have a headphones and all that? My kid's like, no, mom, it's okay. I don't hear. But yesterday when I woke up, I think you and Fusca were talking. So he recognizes all the people here. Silver. Yeah, I'll look at silver. Okay, you guys. So you guys see that? You see this screen right here? Just type in yes. I'll look at silver because we have a lot of silver in our SLE, right? You guys seeing this? I will explain in a second. Good. Good. Code Elena works. Yes. That's why. So that way if I do good, I can do more giveaways for you guys. Alright, that's the whole point. Okay. So Melissa sees that. Anybody else sees this or no? Okay. So so we have 2 people paying attention. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So we'll show it to TikTok people too. All right. So this is Uber. We posted Uber. I don't know exactly when, but it was around. And remember, Melissa, that was your baby. So for Shannon and Lana, like a new, we used to do. We still can do it. I just don't know how much participation you guys want. We did the earnings baby, and I remember that was Melissa's earnings baby in that one. Okay, so isn't that the price we were looking at, Melissa? Look at that. So if you're patient enough, So July to August, okay, you had to wait a month, but you made 18% in a month. Thomas, I don't really like when you call me Tata. So unless you want to have a different name for me, people on TikTok are walking on very thin ice. And like it's really, really hard for me to continue staying here. So unless you guys positive, I told you I'm a baseball mom, and after the third time, everybody's out. So unless you want to choose a different name for me, otherwise you're on strike too. Yeah, I'm done. So do we see we doing freaking stuff. I'm showing you so much knowledge right now. And if you guys gonna have this respect for me, everybody gonna not even start a strike 1, you guys gonna start a strike 2. All right. I have a name. Okay. All right. So you guys see that? So like for yeah. So you guys see this right here? So yes, did it took a month to get here? Yeah. So you also like you always know like where you're gonna get 20% of the month. Did it go against you a little bit? It did, right? Right? My name is blasted everywhere, and so if you don't know my name, okay, let's go back to this. Any questions about this? I'll screenshot it. No, I don't think. Okay, I think that was. Okay, Art, can you block the Thomas, please? We done. Okay. So this was actually, I'm sorry, it wasn't Melissa's, it was the queen. She's always here, but she's not here. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna post it for the queen. Stock check. Okay, so this is just to show receipts, meaning like, okay, so if you would have studied this, okay. So when I put out the watch list, right? So you guys want to watch it on your paper counts, you're more than welcome to buy them. You're more than welcome to like trade them, but see the levels and watch the levels. Okay. But this is where you build wealth. This is where you make money, right? So that's the difference. Where you make money, it's right here. But where you build your wealth, that's of two different subjects. Hi, Tombre. There you go. Yes, everybody gonna be nice. If the mama didn't teach you to be nice, I'll teach you. I'm not just gonna deal with you. So on the big picture, I mean, he was under a lot of pressure. That's why shorts have been paying. Because is what? Anybody knows why? Good morning. Oh, Nereus, you missed the Uber thing, but I posted on the stock chat because I know you're getting your paper count and you're gonna start following the call outs too. Did you see? Were you here for the Uber? Or you just got here? You're funny. Nereus, were you here for the Uber or you just got here? Okay, so watch. I'll do it for you really quick. Look at this. There it is. Ever since we posted, no, we've been watching. Can you see the number right here? Tom Breaks, I totally agree with you though, actually. That it might drop. There goes the one, look at this, 178 level. Okay. Okay, let's concentrate. All right, so you good, natives? Yeah, sounds like a good day for you. Make sure you close your charts now. Natives, did you claim the indicator? Yeah, so this one right here on the left. So I have levels done for me. You see how these levels are done for me right here? You see those levels? I paid a pretty buck for that. Okay. All of the things that I have here, yeah. So I paid a pretty penny for it. So what happened? Jess is here. She's just busy with her streaming too. So Jess is here and she actually took all this information that I have that I pay for it and did it. It's a little different colors, but the levels is pretty much the levels are done for you. And you see the point of control and this one point of control and all these levels. She did it for us for the team. So if you go to Whoop app, then it says the indicator, trading view indicator, it says claim. You'll be able to claim that. Okay. Okay. So you have to read it. She put it yeah. She has more colors on it and all that, but there's explanation of the indicator. You can study that too. So I thought it was really cool that you guys can claim the indicator. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, Irina. We were going through Uber. Did you see Uber, Irina? I put it in the stock chat. It's 18% since we talked about it. Good morning. I know you're just joining. That's why I'm telling you. Like, if you go to stock chat, you'll see the Uber situation. And we got in before Nancy. So that was a big one. We got into before Nancy. Thank you, Melissa. Okay, so we'll see. I don't know. I know everybody's shorting this, but I don't know. I don't know if a short day. I might be long. We'll see. That's the 170, 78 level. We talked about it, right? So, okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. The big picture is different, right? So, but you trade your personal account. So, like, when it comes to scalps, I don't know. Yes. 200. Do I have a big order there? 200. Yep. Look at that. Really? It's a fat one. Do you guys see that? It's a fat one. It's a fat one. I don't even know how much money that is. I don't even know how to calculate this. I do, but take me a second. That's a fat one. And there you go. Yep, long it is. See? Yep, everybody short, and here we are. There you go. How's these shorts are working out? There's the 200, Ellie. There's the 200, Ellie. Let's see. So this is part of the watch list right here. Back to point of control. There's just no way to get into this. Ellie, did you put the order? Is that, you're not telling us you have that much money. You just, are you hiding? You have that much money? Good morning, the queen. Look at Uber. How did you predict it? Because of the book map. Oh, you don't see it on TikTok. You don't see it. I have the book map right here. We have the book map 200. Everybody wants to go short, and I want to go long. And because I saw it, all the orders. And the next one is at 240. The next one, I'll let you know. Yeah, it's magic, Daniel. That's what I'm telling you. Come over. Hang out for 1 month. You have 40 bucks. You'll be fine. Oh, you saw the 200? Yeah, maybe. Regardless, it's like you did yeah, that's a crazy one. So now it's gonna pull back and go to 240. D Queen, good morning. So I tagged you on the stock chat. See the 240. Did you see that, Daniel? That's 240 right there. I cannot show you here in TikTok because it shows my account, so I cannot show it. But yep, there's your 240. There we go. Oh my god, that's amazing. Let's check my account. That's a one big fat candle. Oh, I'm smiling. Yeah. So just magic, that's all. When you get to see all the orders, it's definitely magic. Oh, of course, Tom, like, you know, the expanded one, the 1 minute, the 30-second ones, and all that. Of course, definitely. Okay, back to today's open. Look at that. 288. Yep. Good morning, Fight. Let's wait for retracement. Oh, how can I learn with you? My information, like you can text me, but all my information should be there. Yeah, you don't see a full screen here, but people on the winning team see it all. Yeah, you can message me, but my information should be there. The 3 days are free, so. So let's see if he's gonna go to 235 first before he takes it to the moon. There goes the 235 is right here. What I'm keeping my thing. Yeah. Yeah, Tom, that's exactly. But let's see if he's gonna go down to 235 to make a decision. There's no way, there's no entry, right? There's no entry into this. There's just no entry. I love longs, but there's no entry here. Yep, there goes the 235. Watch. Daniel, pay attention. Look. What I'm holding this right here. And we'll see if it's going to reach right here, 235. Nope. They ghosted it. They no, they're still there. 235 is still there. You watching this, Daniel? Let's see. There you go. Look. Look at this. Bam. 235. That's 235. I mean, look at that. So let's see if it's going to go back to the 200, which will be the, there you go. There's your 200. So we got the pullback. I needed a little bit more down to make a decision. I know, Daniel. I mean, it's magic. I'm telling you. All right, so we might want to take it long from here. Okay. Not yet, not yet. So they're gonna go to 200 first. Yep, let's see. Let's wait to the 200 first. All right, we're looking for longs. We're looking for longs, you guys. Let's see. I missed my entry. Anybody took long? We're looking for longs. Let's go. So mad. I missed my entry. Did anybody took along? It's hard to enter because I wanted to go to 200 first before. Okay.
I am in long.
Good. Yeah. You are, Melissa? Good. Okay. It's really hard to find an entry for me right now. I missed this entry right here. Long at 207. See, I was right here. Yes, that's a good one. I waited for 200 to go in and I didn't go down to the 200, so I didn't enter. But I should have done like you did, like 207, but I didn't. So yeah, still wonder if it's gonna trace it down to the 200. Tight stop. Yep, trailer stops is open. But this keep check out that one. Yeah, the art itself, like you have to find a good entries, I know. I'm in no rush. It's okay. I don't want to chase it. Okay, any questions for TikTok people? Well, thank you everyone for following and all the comments and all the kindness, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, Melissa, what's your entry? There's a big fat order, 300. Yeah, see, it's gonna trace it back to the 200. That's what I'm waiting for first. Did it ghost the order? Oh my god, did that? No, it's still there. We're good. Okay, we're good. Good. Yeah, you should be chilling. Let's go right now. That's good. No, like 300. So I'm waiting for the 200 to go first down to the 200, make a decision, but I don't know if they're gonna take that order because they have a big order at 300, meaning that they want to take it to the 300. You see the 300 right here? Good, Melissa, that's it. Lock it up. Yep, perfect. Different goals for different accounts, right? We're gonna miss the entry again. Come on. I'm still waiting for it to retrace to 200 first. So Fusca took a trade, Melissa took a trade, and R took a trade. Who else took a trade? I can't find an entry. Tom, you took a trade? Yeah. Okay, good job. I can't find an entry. Good job. So 1, 2, 3 of you? 4. 4, right? They goes to that 200 order. So it's gonna go to 300. Yeah. I really don't want to get hit on top right here. Ugh. And what about Irina, Neru, Shannon, and Lana? Did anybody take a trade? Okay, they have it at 220. It goes to 20. No trades for me. Yeah, I can't find an entry. Not yet. Yeah, I can't find the entry. I love longs, but I just can't find the entry. Yeah, not today. That's fine. That's fine. That's how we learn. We engage. We watch it. That's fine. See, I can't find an entry, so no trade for me yet. They're gonna take it to 300 without me. This is so painful. Oh, going without me. That's a good remember, Melissa. So like you see, if 5 minutes is so wiki, like if I get in here, I only get a small scalp, right? So it's not really worth the money. It will go to the 300, we know it, but it's not enough like for me to put my monies on it. So yep. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? What did they do? What did they do right now? What order did you say? What order did they just eat? This is really hard for me, you guys. This is really hard. This is really hard. This is really hard. Why did I say they're gonna go? Fusca, you still there? The Queen, check the Uber thing I posted. Okay. And this is annoying because they reach exactly where. Hey, it's amazing. Made that in 15 minutes. Yeah. What did I say? What they're gonna reach? Yes. What level did I say? Yep. Thank you, Tom Tom. So that's really hard for me right now, but it's okay. Yep. Thank you, Melissa. Uh, yeah. I couldn't find an entry. Yep. It's going without me. Yes, Melissa, you're really good with the AI. You can. The 50% right here. Yeah. So I just wanted to go a little bit lower and I wasn't quick enough, and now I have to watch this and not make money. Trail your stops. What level did I say? Yes, Melissa, you can make those. I'll send you some pictures. You can do some on AI. Okay. This is hard for me. Yeah, that'd be fun. Yeah, we could do that one. You done? Yes, you done. I'm done, but I didn't find an entry. Yeah, perfect. You guys done. That's it. Oh, we're gonna bounce. I'll be watching everybody else making money. It's okay. I'm still happy with my decision. There's open the 290 price. This is so hard. Okay. This is so hard. Perfect. MSTR is doing good from the list. I want to take a long, but I can't find an entry. Yeah. Nope, can't find an entry. There is a short. It goes back down to 250. There goes the 250 order. Come on. Point of control is here. Okay. I really can't find anything. See, they take it, but don't take it all the way. I'm sorry, guys. I can't enter here. That's ridiculous. Okay, I can. So I could have made a decision here after the 250, but they didn't take the order, so I'm not confident. Back to the today's open. What games they playing today? Work setup. Good job. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. Back. It's gonna go back to the 300 without me. I like it. See? Look at that. It's amazing. There goes your 300 and it's going without me. This is painful. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off. So if I take a trade, I'll tag you everyone, but yeah, so I will have a phone call today with the German people. I'll let you know. Hopefully something good. For always looking out for us, for the team. So we'll see what happens there. Kind of excited about that. Yeah, you're welcome. Sorry, I just couldn't take a trade. I can't find the entry and it hits all the levels we want, but like it's, it's like too risky for me or too little of a movement, right? So 20 points move with micros is not a lot to enter. Yeah, see, there you go. Have a good, thanks for call outs. You didn't take them. Exactly. you know, don't apologize for following your rules on your plan. Yeah, it has to be clear, right? So if I take along from here to here, it's like 20, 30 points. Yes, I see all the orders. We all see the orders. I just can't find an entry to enter this. Otherwise it'll be just the $20, right? So it's not worth my stress. So I'm hoping for some good news from the company and maybe, they'll offer something good for the team. And I'll keep you guys posted. I'm glad that you guys took the trades. And here I am without the trades, but I'm happy because I did not find my entry and I didn't have to fight the market. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for everything. And I really, really, really enjoy trading with you guys. I really feel like you guys are part of the family. So there goes the 310. Crazy. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, you're welcome. I'll see you guys tomorrow. good. How are you, honey? Good.
shirt, but no.
We're gonna wear it. Like last year's shorts?
Maybe. Take one of these out. It still hasn't put water in yet.
Start over to it. Oh, you don't start. Okay. you lock the door for? Dum Dum. Why did you lock the door for? Oh, you going potty potty? Okay.
I'm so excited for you, girl, and I miss you, and I'm so sorry that I've been MIA. I literally think I just bit off more than I can chew with everything that I started at the same time. But it's okay because I'm learning my lesson, and admittedly, I almost feel like I'm trying to get myself fired at this new job because I have barely worked this week. I've just been like popping in and out, and I don't know. It's really difficult. Like, it's a difficult job. I don't know. I just put myself in a different position and kind of threw myself into something that I thought was going to be different. So it's okay though. We live and we learn, right? But absolutely, as soon as I get back from my vacation, my goal is to get up every day and trade, and everything else is going to have to fall to the wayside because that's just